Hey guys, welcome back. So before go to the Nifty status today, so let me have a one small intimation so that I thought of sharing with you. There is a intimation from National Stock Exchange that they are going to delisting this DHFL. So if you're holding any stock in your portfolio DHFL, please close the position on immediate basis since coming 1 or 2 days it's going to be zero. So if you could see today's level, so it's almost hit the upper circuit and it's closed today. So it's almost 10% has been hiked today. So I don't know what is the people thinking that, but within 1 or 2 days it's going to be zero. So make sure if you're holding this stock, please close on immediate basis. So it won't be trading from next week or maybe Friday onwards, I guess. So make sure you're closing this position from the DLFS, and we'll see what is the position, how the Nifty was traded today. So as I told you yesterday itself, like Nifty going for a sideways, the same thing was happened because yesterday Nifty, sorry, global cues were not in a good position to help or market to higher places. So it was as a small profit booking. It's like a consolidation. So it was given a red candle today. It's almost like close to 11 points on minus position. So and let's see what is the status according to our key levels. So if you could see the key levels, market exactly open at 15,786, and from there it started to huge sell off has come. It's like a profit booking, so that is the reason it hasn't gone that much down. So it's hit almost 1 2 3 4 our fourth target and 15,701. And even yesterday video also I had intimated that 15,700 going to be a huge support according to the open interest. The same thing was happened as soon as it's touched 15,701. You can see 15,701, it's immediately bounced back and it's hit our 15,755, and there is a small consolidation and it's came back to our red line 15,782, and all the way it was went like the sideways only. So the same thing was happened in the bank nifty also. Actually, these are the red line which I had marked today, which I'm going to trade for tomorrow. Okay, so as I told you, the bank nifty is it's underperformance for last 4 to 5 weeks because of the HDFC twins problems, and they are not able to sort it out on any. There is no improvement and there is no good news from the HDFC also. This HDFC only the main reason for dragging down the Nifty is also. If the bank sector giving small kind of support also, bank Nifty would have hit 16,000 on yesterday or day before yesterday itself. Since there is no support from the bank Nifty, and Nifty also trading in a lower position, and from the market opening itself, bank Nifty started to go down only from 35,572. It came all the way to our fourth target. And if you could remember this golden line which I had mentioned in last three sorry 3 to 4 trading weeks. So as soon as it's come over here, there is 90% possibility the rate will get reversal, and the same thing was happened today's also. It bank nifty cross first, second, third and fourth target also, and as soon as it comes close to the our yellow line, the buyers started to come. They brought the market little higher, and the same thing was happened, and end of the day it's almost close 357 rupees, 356 points in the minus only. And let's see what is the status of open interest for tomorrow. And you could see the FII and DII status also. FII started to buy, it's 14,422 crores they brought, and DII as usual 1,626 crores they sold almost. It's like a small kind of profit booking. And as whenever the market goes on the higher side, FII always buys and DII always sells. The same thing was repeated today also. I will go to the Nifty open interest. This is 10th June of market expiry day, and it's 15,800. It's going to be the immediate support resistance, and if it's break 15,800, it's going to be the immediate support will be 16,000, and the downside 15,700, as I said in the earlier key levels also. As soon as it's reached 15,700, there is a lot of possibilities it will go higher side. So market might trade in between 15,700 to 16,000, and immediate, if it goes sideways also tomorrow, the top resistance will be 15,800. And we'll see the key levels for the Nifty. So Nifty key levels, if it's break 15,755, you can go for a put option buy, and you can keep your first target 15,330, 15,733 and 34, and 15,709, 15,693. And the same time upside, if it's break 15,782, there is only one possibilities of resistance. It's 15,800, because there is a last time where the price got rejected, and from there it's got the small sell off has come. So there is a possibility tomorrow we can expect some kind of upper side movement, if I'm not wrong. So trade carefully. And the same time, I keep on intimating about the swing trading for the Bandhan Bank. So if you could see the day chart, you will have a clear picture. So I was giving the intimation from 26th May onwards, started to accumulate all the stocks, and it was giving a huge upper circuit. If you could see, it's a clear healthy way. It goes down and small profit booking, and goes up and small profit booking, and goes up, small profit booking, goes up, small profit booking. So as I told you in last couple of videos, so I am expecting tomorrow it may reach 325, and it may give a close above 325. So this is my expectation, and according to the analysis also, this is possibilities. And same time, another one, Mahindra and Mahindra. So Mahindra and Mahindra has given a good reversal symptoms, like after continuous 7 trading section. So the first trading section, it's giving a green color. If you could see, this is 801 is going to be a huge support, and one point of time today it's almost broke 801 also. It's went almost 797.5, and from there it's got reversal, and it's giving a pleasant surprise, and it started to move high. It's giving a we can expect some upside move, and its immediate resistance will be 821 and 833. I am expecting today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow it's going to break 821. So that's it for today, and couple of stock you can keep on the watch list, like LT and Jubilee Food and Deepak Fertilizer. So these are the stock you can keep it in your watch list. And that's it for today, and trade carefully, and In case if I'm doing any mistake in the video, please leave your feedback in the comment section so I'll correct myself. And if you have been open any demat account, please use the link in the description to open the demat accounts, where I'll add your number to our personal WhatsApp number. And that's it. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow.